Hey there. All right, so we are back. What I've got accomplished is I have taped off the header, got the second tank of argon ready, I've got the welder pretty much all set up, I got my tungsten sitting inside of my stinger. I've got pretty much everything ready to rock and roll. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to grab this here camera, show you guys through it, show you what I'm working with, and what the pipe looks like. So, grab this. And there we go. As you can see, I have taped off the exhaust ports. I've taped off where the other sensor is going to go. Sorry if the camera's not actually pointing at what I'm talking about. Down here at the bottom, I have wrapped it in tinfoil. As it goes inside of there, it works as a good little plug. I have taken the piece of the bung off the O2 sensor so that we can go ahead and just set it on here. I'll show you later. It's got a decent setup for the mechanical bond. Let me see here, right about there. Not bad. I can work with that with a couple tack welds. We've got off of this other line up to another tank. We'll go ahead and turn it on. Turn that down to about 15. Alright, that is purging as we speak. That's going inside of there. Now currently everything is coming out of this. It's purging it and all that stuff out. Now this is technically the highest point. I guess right in here would be 2, but I'm not too worried about this. Where am I pointing at? Alright. Right there's currently the highest point. But where we're going to be welding, all the oxygen is flowing out of this point. Over here on our machine, go ahead and turn it on. Turn on the argon for the lead. Now what I've done is I have wire brushed it with a brand new stainless brush. It's right on here. Grabbed a piece of 308 stainless. Thought I had 304, turned out it didn't. I got it clean. I used brake clean, non-chlorinated brake clean. Paper towels, wipe it all off. It's good to go. Everything is all clean. Piece is clean. This is clean. We're clean. So what I'm going to go ahead and do at this point, without the fill rod, I'm going to go ahead and set that down. I'm going to make 2 fusion tacks so that this is all linked up together. And I'm going to change the camera over, point it down. Let's see if actually I can get a better angle on this. It's not like you guys really going to see me all that much. Alright. Right here's where we're going to be working. So I'm going to go ahead, get that worked about to where I want it to be. Drop the hood. Alright, first fusion tack is in. I'll get it where y'all can see it. Second fusion tack. I'm going to go ahead and do 4 now. And I'll do the back side over here. Now there is quite a bit of weld material already on there, and theoretically I could just run this over it and just refuse it all together. I don't, however, know what quality of material was used, and I didn't remove a whole lot because I didn't want to remove the mechanical bond that it has going. So here I go. I'm going to go ahead and just run one short little weld. Alright, did it right there. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. So I'm going to go ahead and put my TIG finger on before this gets too hot. I'm not wearing leather gloves. It's cold in the garage. It's 29 degrees today, which, you know, that's nice and comfortable weather here in the Midwest. But this way I can rest my hand on there, not have to worry about being shaky from too much caffeine. Put it right on there. I highly recommend picking up one of these TIG finger covers. I think I got mine on Amazon. I'm going to go ahead and bring it on back to me. I just feathered the pedal one more time so that I could have a little bit more of a post flow. Right on over. I'm going to adjust where I'm sitting so I can get a better run down here. Don't know if I'm fucking blocking the shot. I doubt you can see it in the shots, but when I'm doing this, I'm making sure not to bring my my fill rod outside of the envelope of the shielding gas. I want to keep it in there so that way the tip doesn't oxidize. Alright, this next part, my hand is going to be in the way. Now for the last little section. Alright, as you saw, I barely used up maybe an inch and a half of material. I do have a little minor crack over here. It is such thin wall pipe though, I'm going to go ahead and just burn right through it. So, go ahead and do that.